Our word of the day is Élancer. It means to dart. You'll often hear another equivalent of the term Élancer when it's paired with another term. And so you can take different moves and make them dart. They become much more pointed. So it's the opposite of what we were talking about yesterday. Things like your assemble can dart to the side. Your jetés can dart forward, or for a more challenging aspect, backwards. So it gives you now a bit more pointed, and they're a bit more precise and not nearly so soft. I will see you tomorrow as we learn the next one. See you then.